up, besties? It's your girl, Elaine Michelle, and I'm back with another video. Thank you so much for stopping back by my channel. If this is your very first time, stop what you're doing, click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so that you don't miss any more of my videos. So today we're just going to be doing our unboxing of the jewel box. Now I am a little bit behind. I told y'all that before. If y'all know, your girl got a lot going on. But y'all know I love these unboxings of the jewel box. Y'all know I love Erica. That's my girl. Like, I love it, love it, love it. So she created this box this month and it spoke to my soul. And then I just saw the new box because she does bi-monthly boxes. So I saw the new one that's gonna come out, y'all. Y'all gonna wanna, y'all know your girl gonna get it. It got nails on it. So anyways, let's go ahead and jump into this one. So I found out she had a self-love like journal, and so I asked her to add it to my order so I could grab it with that one. So I purchased this as well, and they both came together. So that's why this one is in here. It does not come with it. I'm not sure how I missed it in the first place, but this is like amazing quality too. And it's just a self-love like little journal to kind of remind yourself. And so I was gonna add this insert into my B6, and then we started the one planner challenge, so I haven't even been in my B6, which is why this hasn't gotten used either. So there's that. And then we have dun, 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 dun. Ooh, ooh. Something just fell out. Hold up. Oh, it's the pen. So I did glance at this because I couldn't just like let it sit and not look at all the goodies because I got tired of seeing all the pictures and stuff of people showing. Look at this pen, y'all. I finally have me a red pen, and this is it reminds me of the Villa Beautiful pen, but it has the jewel box on it, so I'm here for that. And you know it's gonna be gel because it got the little cover on it. Here for it. So that is really, really cute, and that goes with the theme. Now I don't do a lot of red stuff, and I don't know why, because I don't have anything against red. So this is taking a step out of my comfort zone and having something that I don't normally use. And that's what I think I love so much about the subscription boxes, because now that I'm trying to be a little more creative, it does open up my mind to new possibilities and things like that. So here are the die cuts that comes with her box. Let me see, I'm trying to make sure I don't dump them all out like that. And it's called The Beat. I don't know if I said that before. This was The Beat. And look at her. Yes, honey. Yes, give us all the face. Serving all the face. Then these little makeup things. And I like this one because it's like reminiscent of the chocolate bar palettes. And if you guys are like OG E. Michelle subscribers, you know my channel really started out with beauty products. And I was doing beauty reviews. So this like totally speaks to my heart. And I'm actually a makeup artist when I do what I'm supposed to be doing. So there's that. But anyways, so look at this one. This is so cute. And her nails is popping. And then this one, cute. Just the little palettes. These are so cute. Like, I'm here for it. And this is a lipstick. This is a lipstick right there. I think people were asking what it was on her Instagram or something. And then look at the swatches. I am here for the swatches on your arm. This looks like my Juvia's Place swatch that I did. And then her eyes, yes, she is smizing. She's giving a straight tie with realness. And then this one is a beautiful portrait. I love it. Love, love, love it. So those are our die cuts. And then we also have some washi, and it says, "Thou shall not try me, mood 24/7." So it's just some black washi. Hopefully you guys can, let me see if I can try to make it. Okay, there we go. See that there, "Thou shall not try me, mood 24/7. That's the scripture that it came from. And then we have this little pen. Y'all know I love enamel pens, so this is right up my alley. I love that one. And then let's open up this. Look at her papers are always so well thought out. Like, I love it. So this should be the stickers, yeah. And then these are her stickers that came this month. It has smile, eyebrows speak louder than words. And yes, they do, honey, because a thick, dark eyebrow on you will say a whole lot about yourself. But if you get it right and you just thinly put it on there, it definitely speaks volumes. So anyways, I'm not perfect, but my lashes are. My lashes are hardly ever perfect, but you know, that's whatever. Home is where your makeup stash is, but first makeup, just wing it, life eyeliner, everything. Face beat to the gourds, honey. Yes. And then thou shall not try me. And I just really like that. And here's some more of like these little deco stickers. And then some super, oh, she changed it. That one's black. That's cute. Then another girl over here. The purse, I'm here for it. These are so cute. Wow, I'm like loving this. Okay, so let's see. I think these are like the cards that she gives us. Let's see. Yep. And it says, keep calm and beat the face to the gods. This one says, thou shalt not try me. Move 24/7. She kind of resembles Brooke. I don't know if y'all look like, look, she looks like Brooke Love. She's cute. I love it. I'm here for it. Then this one says, wake up and make up. And then it says, my lipstick stay. And then that says, poppin'. My lipstick stay poppin'. I like that. That's cute. And then we have a stamp, y'all. We got a whole stamp in here. I'm here for it. I am here for it. Then here are our papers. Oh, wait, did I miss? Oh, look at this brush. And it says, hello, Jewel. I missed that. That was a die cut that was in there. And then here are our papers. This is our acetate that comes with it. And it's just clear with the gold. And that side has silver. Oh, you can use either side. You can use a silver or gold. I almost started singing Kirk Franklin, but I'm going to resist the urge. But yeah, this is like super duper cute. And then this one says Makeup Queen on this side. And on this side, it just has that black and white pattern. You get another one of those sheets. Then you get the red and white polka dots. So cute. And then on the back side, I don't know what type of print this is, but I'm pretty sure it's some sort of animal. Y'all can tell me in the comment section what that is. And then here is another sheet of that. Oh, this is really pretty. That pattern is really pretty. And then this one has that red pattern on the back as well. So yeah, I'm loving these. I'm loving them. I'm here for it, girl. Keep doing your thing. Like I said, I'm excited about the next box because it definitely is right up my alley. It has everything that I love, which is nails. Y'all know I love nails, and that's what I saw on there was a whole like little nails kit. Like, so I'm here for it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna stick this stuff back in here and I'm gonna hoard it like I normally do until I figure out what I'm gonna do with it. I'm gonna take the pen out though, because I know I'm gonna use that like today, like in a minute. I'm gonna use it. But yeah, that's the jewel box for this month, The Beat. Make sure you guys check her out down below and sign up for your subscription box. The next one, I believe it's shipped in February. So April will be the off month, and then May will be the month that the next one ships on. But she has all of that information in her, no, April will be the next one. Why did I just call that out and then I said the wrong date? April will be when the next box ships. So I think you have to sign up by now if she has any more left. But make sure you do that, and her information will be below. So thank you so much, Erica, for creating a beautiful box. And I hope you guys love it, and I will catch you in the next one. Mwah! KK, bye.